Well, I saw your question in the email. Use the row of numbers below to generate 12 random numbers between 0, 1, and 99. So they want you to use 2 digits here. Starting at the beginning of the row, what are the first 12 numbers between 0, 9, and 99? So you just want to just grab first 2 digits would be 1, 1, or 11. And you grab the next 2 digits would be 0, 8. Now the next 2, they do have a space, but that's just for readability. The next 2 digits are 77. And the next 2 here are 95. And you just continue on across here. You got what do we have here? We had 77, 95, then we'd have 78, 49, 54, 57. So you just want to break them up into pairs. Hope that helps.